Google just dropped a massive update, and this one changes how millions of developers work. Google Colab is now officially integrated inside Visual Studio Code. Yes, the world's most popular lightweight code editor now connects directly to the world's most popular cloud-based notebook environment. This is big. For years, developers have been split between two workflows: VS Code for editing, version control, full project work, especially Python and AI projects, and Google Colab for running notebooks, visualizing data, prototyping models, training on GPUs and TPUs. But the two worlds were separate. People hacked their way around it, using workarounds, browser hacks, experimental extensions, GitHub sync tricks. And Google noticed. Today, Google announced the official Google Colab extension for VS Code. It brings together the strengths of both. You can keep using VS Code, the editor you've already customized, and still run your notebook completely on a Colab runtime. That means your .ipyn files in VS Code can now run on cloud compute, including Pro and Pro Plus runtimes with premium GPUs and TPUs. No more switching tabs. No more browser session timeouts. No more pretending you're coding locally while everything's running remotely. If you're a VS Code user, this changes nothing about your workflow, except now you can fire up a Colab runtime instantly. If you're a Colab user, this gives you something you've been asking for: a full-featured IDE experience with Git, extensions, debugging, linting, refactoring, and more. It's the best of both worlds. Getting started is simple. Open VS Code. Go to Extensions. Search for Google Colab. Install it, and if it prompts you, also install the Jupyter extension. Then open a notebook, click Select Kernel, choose Colab, sign in, and you're done. Your notebook is now running on the cloud with zero setup. Google said this is just the beginning. They're planning to bring more Colab features into VS Code, meaning more AI workflows, faster experiments, cleaner integration, and maybe even Colab-only tools inside desktop environments. This is one of those rare updates that doesn't just improve a tool, it changes a workflow. Try it out. It's live right now in the VS Code Marketplace and OpenVSX. If you're an AI developer, data scientist, student, or researcher, this one is worth switching your setup for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a full walkthrough or a Colab versus Jupyter breakdown. See you in the next one.